G'day, Simon from SPP Productivity, where we give you simple tips and tricks to help you become more organised at home, work and school. Now folks, I just wanted to have a quick chat to you today. We are helping the in-laws move house today. You can see all the boxes and stuff like that in the background. And down here we've got the storage, everything's going on. But it made me think of a very, very quick tip that I wanted to share with you guys, because basically, when I was looking at all these boxes going in and out, I thought about the fact that it's very, very similar to mental clutter. Now, in your household, it's very, very important that every single person in your household has their own personal space even, that is not cluttered. Now, the reason this is important is because if you have mental clutter, it's very hard to be able to get anything done. Now, whether you're a kid, whether you're a student, whether you are a mum or a dad or anything like that, every single person needs their own little bit of personal space. Now, we even tell kids to be able to go and have a little table. My 3-year-old, she has a little blue table that at that table, all she does is she draws and does relaxing, slow type activities. Now, the reason for this is because by doing that, it allows her to, when she sits in that space, connect it to being relaxed. So every single person in your household should always have that, because if you have all these boxes and stuff exactly the same as all the input that comes into your life, if you keep doing that, it's almost impossible to be able to keep yourself motivated to be organized. So that's our little tip for today, is don't let your life be like a removalist truck and be full of all these inputs. Grab yourself a very special space in your house, your own little space, that if you keep it uncluttered, it also keeps your mind uncluttered, and hopefully that'll help you become a lot more organized at home. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.